Hey, come with me to try to brush my puppy. My 5-month-old puppy. He does not like being brushed. He goes into hiding.
Luke,
And
please.
sometimes it's a difficult process. Before this, I was able to kind of brush him everywhere, and then if I hit certain spots, he goes into hiding, and this is him, basically leaving, saying no, thank you. So let's go through this process together.
Why we gotta act like this? Jaluk. Why we got? Come on, Jaluk. Are we proud of ourselves? Are we proud? Are we proud? Are we proud? Jaluk.
So basically, I just ended up, he ended up going into hiding. And then every time he tried to pop out his head, I would try to brush it, or at least let him, gain some confidence into me brushing him. But then next thing you know, he goes back into hiding. So I tried.